Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight we've come back to the Moor Hoppins Fairground for a midweek look at the fair.
We could call coffee and juice. Remember when raining men, heavy specimental, blood darkly, rough and tough and strong and mean. God bless Mother Nature, she's a single woman too. Taste, release your inhibitions, feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. Battle for, and you're sitting around here with nothing to do, talking about your mirages and his Mavic crew. Where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? And you're singing the song, singing this is the life. Wake up in the morning, your head will toss the sides. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight?
So I've pulled myself away from the bar. Time for a walk around the fair.
This Super Bowl, are you ready? Let's go!
sure I only come to these things for the food. I'm almost positive I only come to these things for the food. I never go on the rides. Now down this end you've got all the palm readers and fortune tellers. Little secret, I'm a traveller and I ain't read the future and won the lottery, and neither have any of these. Just saying. So there you have it. That's a midweek sneak peek. I've been thinking about that all night. Anywho, of the Town Moor Hoppins Fairground 2024. We'll be back on Friday, and obviously I'll fetch you with us. But I actually feel a bit sick, and it's not the rides. I haven't went on one ride, but I've had far too much food. And guess what? Bought some more on the way out, toffee apples. Anywho, see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job. Or I should say, for my American friends of the colonies, candy apples.